Do you want to get the best results from your roses? If so, use Westland Rose Planting and Potting Mix. Our mix is enriched with a 6-month slow-release feed for more vibrant and longer-lasting blooms. It also has added sulphur to help roses better withstand black spot. Specially blended to support plant health, this planting mix is enriched with zinc complex that helps build plant resilience and immunity, enabling plants to better withstand stress, pest and disease attack. To use, add some compost to the bottom of your pot. Thoroughly water the plant. Gently tap the pot to remove. And shake off loose compost. Place the plant into a pot with new compost and fill in any gaps. Then simply firm down and water. For planting out, dig a hole approximately twice the depth and diameter of the root ball. Place the plant in the hole with the new compost and fill the gaps. Firm in and water. Westland specialist planting and potting mixes are blended to meet specific plant needs and support plant health, strengthening plants from the inside out.